Are you looking for quality bidet attachment for your toilet? Here are 5 of the best options on the market. Each of these attachments offers unique features and benefits, so you can choose the one that best suits your needs. So let's get started with the list. List number: Samudra Non-Electric Cold Water Bidet Toilet Seat Attachment. The Samudra Bidet attachment is made of durable ABS material, portable control panel, high-pressure faucet quality valves with metal and ceramic core, brass T-adapter and braided steel cold water hose instead of traditional plastics. Samudra upgrades knob switch to button, designed for easier to switch between patterns. Self-cleaning feature, cleaning the nozzles thoroughly. Telescopic nozzles automatically retract behind the convenient and movable guard gate for maximum protection and easy maintenance. Water pressure control knob allow you to adjust water pressure to create an experience that blends comfort and ease of use. Enjoy a perfect healthy life. Designed for the highest quality and luxurious feel, our Samudra Non-Electric Bidet Toilet Seat Attachment is made of durable ABS material. The Samudra Bidet Toilet Seat Attachment features dual nozzles for 2 spray modes: front cleaning for women's private, rear cleaning for men and women. The knob switch to button design is convenient to adjust between patterns and make it easier to switch between modes. List number: Blauk Cleans Bidet Attachment for Toilet. Blauk Bidet Toilet Seat Attachment is a cleaner, greener alternative to toilet paper. Massively reduce your toilet paper consumption and save money with this bidet for toilet seat that's easy on your wallet. A simple bidet for toilet seat that's easy on your wallet and the planet. Consume less toilet paper and experience a more thorough clean with the Blauk Bidet Attachment for Toilet. Enjoy a refreshing sensation and a more thorough clean every time you sit on the toilet with the Blauk Toilet Seat Water Spray Jet. A high-quality wireless bidet attached to this water spray toilet is perfect for your favorite bathroom convenience. Give your toilet a clean, fresh scent with the bidet attachment. No need to worry about missing the perfect angle or hitting a sensitive spot. An exhaust fan on the back keeps your bathroom and its surroundings smelling sweet. Constructed with top-quality materials, our Blauk Toilet Bidet Attachment is made to last and work flawlessly for years to come. List number: Veken Ultra Slim Bidet Attachment for Toilet. Veken's dual nozzle bidet attachment is ideal for those with mobility restrictions. This toilet bidet attachment has a water pressure dial and spray nozzle, allowing you to choose the precise levels of water pressure and spray that suits your needs. This bidet attachment is corrosion resistant and made from durable brass, making it more resistant to water damage than most plastic attachments. Bidet attachment for toilets with dual nozzle offers a refreshing stream of water supplying thorough cleansing for men and women. Bidet is gentler and more hygienic than toilet paper. This bidet sprayer for toilet is only a 1/4 inch thick. No need to worry about toilet paper shortages with a bidet. The chrome-plated control dial allows for adjustable water pressure and spray, ideal for those with mobility restrictions. All you have to do is choose the right water pressure and cleaning mode. List number: Lux Bidet Neo 185 Non-Electric Bidet Toilet Attachment. This Lux Neo 185 bidet attachment has a sleek and stylish design that will make any bathroom look premium. The Neo 185 is a 2-in-1 bidet attachment that features an electric bidet and non-electric bidet. This model comes in white and black color options, giving you the option to match your bathroom or choose a completely different finish. Featuring dual nozzles for rear and frontal wash, the design keeps you clean during monthly cycles and comes in handy for new or expecting mothers. Shielded nozzle guards prevent any mess from dripping onto the seat after each use. With a dual nozzle for rear and frontal wash, this bidet allows you to wash your body cleanly and comfortably. Created with high-pressure valves and metal and ceramic cores, it's also affordable enough for everyday use. The feminine nozzle keeps you clean during monthly cycles and comes in handy for new or expecting mothers. The nozzle automatically retracts behind the guard gate after each wash to ensure it is protected until your next use. List number: Brondell Pure Spa Easy Bidet Attachment. Brondell Pure Spa Easy Bidet is your answer to uninvited guests. With a simple, intuitive control panel, You can easily adjust the water pressure, temperature, and nozzle position for optimal cleaning. This self-cleaning bidet attachment mounts securely to most toilets in no time at all and includes a built-in deodorizer that reduces embarrassing bathroom odors by up to 90%. Enjoy the fresh feeling of cleanliness with Handheld's bidet attachment. This attachment provides advanced hygiene with a simple and intuitive control panel, water pressure adjustment capabilities, disease prevention including antimicrobial protection, and solid plastics that are compact and durable. Attach to your existing toilet seat and enjoy a more hygienic experience with simple nozzle adjustments that look like good design to enjoy. No leaks or spills like the competition, with patented unibody design for better safety and a self-cleaning kit.